Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to remove someone from your favorites on Facebook using your PC. With Facebook's recent updates, the process is simple and quick. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Click on Content Preferences. This is where you can manage what you see and interact with on Facebook. Next, click into the Favorites section. Here, you'll find all the people or pages you've marked as favorites. At the top of this section, locate the search bar. To streamline things, click on the option labeled Favorites Only right next to it. This will filter out everyone except those you've already added to your favorites list. Now, find the person or page you want to remove from favorites. You'll notice a small star icon next to their name. Simply click on this star and voila, they're no longer part of your favorites list. And that's it. You've successfully removed someone from your favorites on Facebook using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.